with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play Wonderful World by Sam Cooke. Wonderful World is a pretty easy song to play on guitar if you change it from the original key of B into the key of G. This gives us all common open chords, the G, the C, the D, and an E minor. Since we're playing the song solo acoustic, it's important to throw in some rhythmic variations. We're going to start off with the usual eighth note strum. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Don't know much about history. That sounds a little stiff. So for this song, we're going to throw in, you can think of it as a fast arpeggio or a slow rake, either way. We're going to hit the root of the chord, in this case a G, on the 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, the way that sounds when you play it fast is, okay, so you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now the main change is going to be, of course, the bass note, the root note. Here we're going to start on the 5th string for the C chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And for the D chord, you're going to start on the 4th string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for the E minor, of course, you're going to start on the 6th string again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So at speed, it looks something like this. Except, of course, you're going to hit the right root note. When I get to the bridge of Wonderful World, I like to throw in another rhythmic variation. I'll play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So I'm going on the downbeat and on the and of 3. So it's, I don't claim to be an A student, but I'm trying to be, or maybe by being an A student, baby, I can win your love to me. And go back to the full strumming on that last phrase as you lead back into the verse. Don't know much about the Middle Ages, and the same arpeggio strumming that you were doing before. This has been Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Wonderful World by Sam Cooke. Thank you for watching.